Hi, this is Sheikh Jani Basha, social teacher. In this section, I say 10th class social history lesson number 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this lesson, next subheading, next concept is a new conservatism after 1815. Listen in this subheading. In 1815, representatives of European powers like Britain, Prussia, Russia, Austria, who had collectively defeated Napoleon, ruler of France. After defeating Napoleon, this European power held a meeting at Vienna for the settlement of what the Napoleon occupied places, states, nations. And the next, this meeting was headed by Austria Chancellor Metternich. The European powers, after completion of the Napoleon, defeating the Napoleon, their main agenda was restoring the conservatism and the customs what the previous methods they followed. After the completion of Napoleon, Bourbon rulers took the responsibility of this France, and these European powers they themselves distributed themselves what the Napoleon occupied places in Europe. West part of Europe was under Prussia, Poland east side was under Russia, Austria was under Italy, Netherlands was separated from the Belgium. So these things happen after defeating Napoleon, the ruler of France. Next, these European powers they restored the previous systems, conservatism concepts, customs after the defeating Napoleon in Europe. So they gave these European powers gave the freedom, the newspapers, press also. Okay, students, thank you. All the best.